we'll guide you through how to install Modpacks on your Minecraft server. If you guys find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon, and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So the first thing we should do in order to install a mod pack for our Minecraft, probably go to our browser and then type in CurseForge.com. We're going to be using the CurseForge launcher to get our mod packs because this is super easy, super efficient. Adding it directly to a vanilla Minecraft can prove to be very tricky sometimes, so I just like using CurseForge. It's very reliable. So once you're on their website, click on this Get CurseForge app button on the top right hand side, and then you can download standalone. The file will start downloading, and once it's downloaded, you will probably find it in your default downloads folder, and then you can just go ahead and click it to install it. Before we get to installing CurseForge, I have to take a short break to say thank you to our sponsor, Apex Hosting. They offer lag-free customizable servers ready in just minutes. You can host your adventures right now. They offer a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backups. When we're installing mod packs like we are right now, there's no place more flawless to host your servers than Apex Hosting. Me and my friends have tried it out. We use it all the time. It's very reliable, and I hope you guys will check it out. Linked in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Once you have run the installation process, CurseForge will start opening up like so, and then you can just click on continue. I'll just quickly log in. There we go. Now I've logged into CurseForge. If there's any updates, you should probably go ahead and do them. And one important thing is that, of course, you need Minecraft installed on your PC in order for CurseForge to work. If you have it installed, you're good to go. If not, then you probably have to download it as you do from the Microsoft Store. And then once you have the Minecraft launcher and Minecraft, you can return to CurseForge. However, if you do have Minecraft, like myself, and CurseForge is still saying that it's not installed, then we will have to make it recognize Minecraft, which is actually pretty simple. Just click on your Minecraft. The reason why Minecraft isn't detected is because our Microsoft account isn't linked with CurseForge. When we do that, they will detect Minecraft automatically. So just go ahead and link your Microsoft account with CurseForge. There we go. I've logged in. They're just taking a bit of time to authorize. And once everything is authorized, our Minecraft should be detected as it is right now. However, if your Minecraft still isn't detected, come to this plus button, click on add a game. You can scan your computer for Minecraft, or you can manually add it. So once we're on this menu, we can click Minecraft, and then we can click browse mod packs. Okay, so once we've got everything set up, we can actually download mod packs. The mod pack I'm going to be downloading is called Cursed Walking a Modern Zombie Apocalypse. So I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to install it. Just click on install, and it will start downloading. This can take a bit of time depending on how big the mod pack files are. And what you also need to do is you need to host your own server on your computer. To do that, next to this cancel button, there's a download server pack option. Just click on it and download the server pack. Once the server pack is downloaded, like so, I've just put it on my desktop. So what we need to do while we wait for the mod to download and install, we can actually come to the desktop, and this is the server pack that we downloaded, pressing this button, just a reminder. So we're going to come here to the desktop, make a new folder, and name it Cursed Walking Server. And we're going to extract this into the Cursed Walking Server folder that we just made on our desktop. So extract files, Cursed Walking Server. Okay, so this is going to extract into that. Okay, now that we have the server pack extracted to our folder, which is right here, this is the extracted version of our server pack. And on CurseForge Launcher, we have the mod pack downloaded. We should just go ahead and click play. This will automatically open up your Minecraft launcher, and this should automatically boot up your game. If you're having any issues with your game opening up, or your Minecraft launcher doesn't launch before your game opens up, it's probably using the CurseForge launcher, which can pose a few problems. If it works, that's great. If not, then you should come to settings like so. Just click on the settings symbol, come to Minecraft in specific, scroll down to the launcher settings, use Mojang launcher, and then you can go for either classic or Microsoft Store. You can try both, but your issue should be resolved as long as you're using a Mojang launcher. And here we are. The game is loaded up. It's going to do a bit of a scan, and then the mod pack will start working. Our mod pack is successfully downloaded. We can enter a single player lone survivor mode or a multiplayer the last few mode. We could play a single player mode right now if you wanted, the lone survivor mode, or we can go into multiplayer, the last few, but for that we need a server to depend on, which we're going to start up right now. So now we come back to the folder where we extracted our files and we press on start server.bat. Once we click on the start.bat file, this window will open up, which starts up a server. They're basically saying that I don't have Java installed on my computer and they're willing to automatically do it for me. So all we have to do is type in I agree. I don't know why this message has popped up because I do have Java installed. However, if this message does not pop up for you and they do not automatically download Java for you, and so you're struggling to, make this whole thing work, you'll have to download Java manually. So the way we do that is head to your browser, open up a new tab, and in that new tab, write java.com. Open up java.com and then click on this blue download Java for desktops button and then click on it again. And once it's downloaded, all you have to do is press it, run it and install Java. Additionally, you might also have to get the JDK kit. So if you come over here, press this back button to go back to java.com, the primary page, we have to get the JDK, which is the Java Development Kit. So go to Developer Downloads and then go down and you'll see 3 versions, JDK 26, 25 and 21. 25 works perfectly for me, so I'm just going to get that. Select your OS like Windows, select the x64 installer, make sure it downloads, and once it's downloaded, you have to do the same process with this Java Development Kit. Run it, install it, and then your Java should be working fine. Right, so the next step is coming back to this page and accepting Minecraft or Mojang's terms of service. You can go to their website, which they've mentioned right over here, click open this link, read their terms of service, and if you agree, which I personally have read it and I do agree, so you can just write I agree and then the server should start up in no time. Once we've got the server up and running, we can hit multiplayer, hit add server, name it whatever we want. For example, Minecraft server, that's fine. And because we're hosting the server locally, we need to type in localhost and then press on done and then join the server. And now here we are in the game. The mod is loaded up. They've just tagged us for playing their mod. And as you can see, it's already super cool. There's a knocked out skeleton over here. We have an axe in our hands and we can just play this super cool mode. However, if you want this mod to work on your hosting platform server, I'm going to show you that right now. Because there are cons to hosting your own server, which is that your computer has to be on all the time in order for the server to be up. So if you're playing with your friends, your computer has to be turned on at all times for the server to work properly. And you will also have to share your IP address with your friends so they can join the server. However, if you go to our browser right now, and if you're using a hosting platform like Apex Hosting, first we will need to purchase a server. So just scroll down when you see these packages. They recommend a 6 GB package, so I'm just going to go for that. Click on order. From here, we can change the configuration, like select the server version. So we can just click on this and then change it to Cursed Walking, like so. Although this can be changed later on as well, so you could leave it to whatever it was or change it to something else, and you will be able to switch between the mod packs and the mods whenever you want. Then we choose the server location. Just click on this drop down, test your ping, and wherever you get the lowest latency, click on that server and then you're good to go. Then we have the dedicated IP. If you want a dedicated IP, you have to pay an additional $4. Then we click on I have read and agree to the terms of service and simply press checkout. From the main menu over here, we can simply press this panel button to access our server screen. I've listed the pros of having your own server before, but this is just super helpful because this server will stay online at all times. Anyone can join at any time and it's going to be super fast and efficient. So if you wanted to make a Cursed Walking Modpack server on Apex Hosting, you simply open your server, make sure you go ahead and stop it before making any changes. Once you've done that, you can navigate down to the game file, and I already have Cursed Walking selected, but you're probably going to stumble upon it when it looks something like this. This is going to be something completely different, either vanilla version or something else. You can flawlessly switch between one mode to the other, one mod pack to the other. All you have to do is click this drop down, and on top, if you search Cursed Walking over here, there we are. Just click on Cursed Walking, and then you can either upgrade your memory to make it run flawlessly or just ignore and continue with the amount of memory you have. Then click on change version, and then you can either use existing world or create new world. I'm just going to create a new one because this is a story mod pack. So just create a new world and then you could restart your server. I'll restart it right now so I can show you guys how it looks like in game. And the way we join it is by actually posting this IP address or port in our server address. We cannot just write localhost and join it. We actually have to copy this Go back into the game, click on multiplayer, click on add server, name this one Apex hosting, and then the server address, we've copied it. I'm just going to paste it and click on done. You must wait for your server status to go from pending to online, and once that's done, we will head into game. Well, that's it for this video, guys. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.